Yanni.
Auntie taking pictures of you again, a video.
Waiting for the world's best to walk my fairways and renew my tradition. First and second round coverage of the Masters. Coming in April on ESPN. In only 2 days, TV's hottest
He's not hip cupping again.
is revealed.
He's looking at me.
Series premiere.